Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the new way to add GCash to your Apple Wallet in 2025, making your mobile payments faster, safer, and way more convenient. First, grab your iPhone and open your settings. This is where you control most of your Apple account features. At the top, tap your Apple profile. You'll see your name and Apple ID right there. Next, select Payment and Shipping. This is where all your payment methods live, from credit cards to debit cards, and now GCash. Tap on GCash from the list of options. Don't worry if this is your first time. The process is simple. You'll be redirected to the GCash login page. Enter your GCash credentials, your phone number and password, and make sure to keep them secure. Once that's done, GCash will send an authorization code to your mobile number. Enter the code, and just like that, your GCash account is linked to your Apple Wallet. Now, you're all set. You can make payments quickly, safely, and with just a tap from your Apple Wallet. Explore the additional features GCash offers within the app. They're designed to make your mobile payments seamless. And that's it. Adding GCash to Apple Pay has never been easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick tips. Enjoy the convenience of faster payments at your fingertips.